Sup YouTube, Boy King here. Kill Mike. Hey, I just broke my controller. You see that? So we got the analog.
We might just have a funeral for it.
Analog. And all this stuff. And I'll be right back. I'll let Kill Mike talk.
Nothing to talk about except for OG's surprise. Excuse my language. At least try to take this off. This right here. And what did you just do?
Time for the funeral. For Whitey.
Time for the funeral. Stay strong, buddy.
Oh, he never take it the camera over there. Oh, you fell. You fell.
Well, this funeral did not go right. Let me retry that.
There we go.
Do shit right
Stop,
there.
stop playing, dude.
And for the Bunny's funeral. Well, you're helping me play with R2-L2.
Oh, just throw that shit over.
Well, it's not my fault. I missed the controller.
I mean, it was enough for that. Oh, why the hell? I was being stupid.
Well, too bad.
Oh, there you have it, YouTube. We got the most two idiots in the world right here.
You know we can edit this, right?
Yeah.
Let's see do it.
Oh.
Hey, what? You wanna make a funny video? Do the Oompa Loompa.
Mr. Oompa Loompa.
We might just make a funny video. Do the Oompa Loompa.
So stay tuned with me. Cause we'll make a funny video like in 5 more minutes.
Portable Queen, aka Ultra Dark, aka Boomster 518.
Yeah, you got it right. Way to go. Teamwork. Yeah. See you later, Deucey Mouse.